Cases of Lyme disease are on the rise this summer, and while we know what to look for when we're outside, what about our pets? They probably spend more time outside than us, and with all that fur, it's not as easy to spot a tick on them. So what if you could vaccinate your pets against Lyme disease? And if there's a vaccine for them, why not one for us? Here's health editor Dr. Maria Simbra.
Last year, we'd say maybe one really severe case of Lyme disease a week in the biggest, busiest season for Lyme disease. This year, I would say it's probably closer to 2 to 3 severe cases, which is definitely an increase that worries us.
Cases of Lyme disease in dogs can be mild to severe.
Painful all 4 limbs, not eating. Owner said just really not himself the past few days, fever of like 105, very, very sick dog. And one of the first things we wanted to test was Lyme because it's now endemic in this area.
To prevent Lyme disease, there is a vaccine for pets, specifically dogs. A series of 2 shots as a puppy with yearly boosters.
A lot of pet owners now are asking about it.
It's actually antibodies in the dog's bloodstream that actually go into the tick and then prevent the bacteria from ever going into the dog.
You can't get Lyme disease from a pet directly, but the tick that carries the infection-causing bacteria are now plentiful in our area, and the same ticks that can bite your dog can also bite you.
So is there a vaccine for people? Well, there was in the 1990s, but a lack of enthusiasm and complaints of joint and muscle aches after the shot led to its downfall.
Due to a decrease in the demand of the vaccine and an increase in potential lawsuits that the company was seeing, unfortunately, this effective vaccine was removed from market in the early part of the last decade.
The surge of cases and ticks could push reconsideration.
There would certainly be a lot of interest in bringing the Lyme vaccine back. Unfortunately, I don't expect that we'll have a commercial vaccine on market in the near future.
It was this human vaccine that became what's given to pets.
It seems to be very, very safe. People and dogs are quite different.
Keep in mind, it's an option on top of routine tick prevention for your dogs. The collars, treats, topicals, and combing.
A lot of people are thinking that it can take the place of prevention, which it definitely cannot.
I'm Dr. Maria Simbra, KDKA-TV News.